Making your personal brand is most important thing in the online business for your long-term career. Everyone do the business for the long term, right? Are you doing a business for instant like 2 to 3 months? No, right? So most of the people who are completely beginners and new to this affiliate marketing and who want to start affiliate marketing, I want to suggest you choose a platform where you need to create a kind of brand. Don't focus on multiple platforms first. In the initial stage, focus on one platform and try to become a master and try to create a brand. For example, if you ask me what platform you recommend for us, I will definitely recommend YouTube as a platform where you need to focus and create your brand and authority. Because in the long run, people will see how much following this person has, like how many like case studies he have, how much following he built. This matters a lot. So I'm not telling that you should have like thousands and lakhs of followers to make the sales. I'm not telling like that. I'm telling that in the long run, it will be beneficial for you to build a community, strong community. Main goal should be like you need to fasten the process, like posting in the Facebook groups and sharing your knowledge so that you will get quality leads from the other Facebook groups. But you should be doing the work in the back end, like building your brand, right? Making videos in the YouTube channel. That one I recommend. And if you want to do reels in Instagram, try to become master in it. Try to make a brand. Okay, so that will definitely benefit you in the long run. Okay, so all the very best, and let me know which platform you're going to start.